How many times have we heard, when I do the thing, I get the power, and when I don't do the thing, I don't get the power? Do the thing, have the power. How many times have we heard, when I do the thing, I get the power, and when I don't do the thing, I don't get the power? It's so simple, but man, is it hard. Is it hard for you, or am I the only one? Like, I know what to do. I know when I set my goals, I've got to do the right things. I got to have the right behaviors. I got to have the right mindset, but it's just so easy, especially during summertime, to be like, let's go to the beach. Let's go play golf. But the problem is, if I'm not doing the thing that makes everything work in my business, in my life, with my relationships, when I take the easy path, for me, I don't know about you, but for me, I get stuck. And then all of a sudden I find myself behind the 8 ball, and then it just gets harder. Do you know what I'm talking about? And I don't want it to be that kind of hard. I want to choose the right hard. I want to choose the hard of, I can get to the gym and I can do all the right things and I can still play golf and I can go to the beach, but I've got to do the things, especially in this environment, that give me the power. What are your thoughts? I want you to be more powerful. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Happy Monday. Let's get after it.